So next question is basically a puzzle which you might have seen on YouTube. It's a very famous YouTube channel, Mind Your Decisions by Price Talwalker. I personally follow it. It's like there are many good, many amazing maths puzzles on the channel. So I got this one. You need to find out the area of the question mark. Okay, the numbers denote the areas that I've shown: 40 centimeters square, 64 centimeters square, and 32 centimeters square. Okay, find the area of the question mark. Okay, so you can just pause the video and try it out. It's a very good puzzle. Okay, guys. So what I will do is I'll first connect the two lines shown here with the red. Sorry, I'll connect the two lines. Okay, the red lines here I shown. Okay. Now you can observe, guys, I'm forming two triangles, right? Okay, I call this triangle as A, B, C, the big triangle, and beach make point here D. Now, guys, A, B, D, and ADC. Again, you can draw a line parallel to these two. You can draw a line parallel to BC, right? And that means the area of ABD and area of ADC will be proportional to the base, but bases are given as equal, right? तो अगर इसका area मैंने suppose A मान लिया, तो दूसरे वाले का भी area क्या हो जाएगा? A, right? Similarly, you can draw these two parallel lines. Sorry, you can draw these two red colored lines like this, right? उसके लिए you can say these two areas will be equal, B and B. Okay, same way you can draw one more C and C, one more D and D, right? Okay, now you just need to apply algebra here. Okay, as you can observe, guys, ये 32 basically है क्या? ये 32 है A region plus D region, right? So I can say A plus D as 32. Same way, guys, ये 40 basically क्या है? ये 40 है C plus D का value, right? C plus D is 40 centimeter square, and 64 basically क्या है, guys? C plus B, right? Okay, now we need to find the value of A plus B from this, right, guys? Okay, that is the required question here. You need to find the value of A plus B. Okay, so it's all about mathematical jugglery now. So we have successfully transformed a geometric question to a pure algebra based question, right? So you add these three equations, and when you do that, you will get A plus B plus twice of C plus D is 136. You substitute C plus D in this equation as 40. Okay, you get the value of A plus B as 56. That is the required value for the shaded area. Very, very easy, very, very interesting, right?